Welcome back, guys. So in this lecture we are going to see on another questions. Just generally in the interview room they will give you a program. So program have one class A and it will have one method, and that is throwing array index bound exception, right? And the class B is extending the class A, and it has the same method. We have overridden this method, and we are going to throw index out of bound exception, right? So before going to explain the code, I will let you know that what is array index of bound exception and what is index out of bound exception. So these two index out of bound exception and array index out of bound exception both are runtime exception. This is a unchecked exception, so it will come on the not on the compile time. So you can, as you can see, this will not come at the compile time, but it will come at the runtime, right? So when you go to the array index bound exception, so you can see that it is a child class of index of bound exception, right? So you see this is a parent and this is a child, right? And its child is array index of bound exception class has a child of index out bound exception, and this is a runtime exception, right? So it is a child of runtime exception, and we know the runtime exception is a checked exception, right? And it will come only at the time of output, right? When we are going to call the output runtime, so it will come. So these two are runtime exception, and this is parent and this is child, right? So collection, the hierarchy can be parent should be at the child level, and the parent can be at index of bound exception at the time, right? Like we can say at the parent level, we can say. Okay, now we have created a object of b we have created, and we are going to assign this value into parent of a, right? But the object of a will be, what the object of a will be? B, right? So when we are going to call a dot m1, it means we are calling the object of b is calling its own method, right? So it should be give the output this one, right? So let me go and run the program, and you will understand the code. Okay, see, it is calling in m1b. Okay, so if any doubt you have, please ping me in the comment box.